Have you ever dreamed of owning a piece of the future? From the stunning Dubai skyline to the tranquil desert landscapes, the UAE's real estate market is brimming with lucrative opportunities for foreign investors. If you've been wondering how to get in on the action, you're in the right place. In this guide, we'll walk you through the entire process of purchasing a plot of land in the UAE, from understanding the legalities all the way to finalizing your investment. Let's get started. First things first, let's talk about the legal framework. It's simpler than you might think. Foreigners can buy property in designated freehold areas without needing a residency visa. This was made possible by the Freehold Law of 2002, which grants full ownership in specific, pre-approved zones. The most critical takeaway here is to always ensure the land you're interested in is within one of these freehold zones. This single check can save you from a world of legal complications down the line. Now that the legal part is clear, let's get into your personal strategy. What are your investment goals? This is a crucial question you need to answer before you even start looking. Are you planning to build your dream family home? Or are you looking to start a business and need a commercial plot? Perhaps you are purely an investor, looking for long-term capital appreciation. Your specific purpose will directly influence the location you choose, the size of the plot you need, and, of course, your overall budget. Take some time to really define what success looks like for you. With your goals defined, it's time for the fun part. Choosing the right location. The UAE offers a variety of incredible freehold zones across different emirates. In Dubai, you have world-famous areas like Dubai Marina, downtown Dubai, and Jumeirah Lake Towers. Abu Dhabi and other Emirates also have their own prime locations. Don't just look at what's popular now. Do your homework. Research upcoming infrastructure developments, new metro lines, and future growth plans for the area. A little bit of research today can lead to a much more valuable investment tomorrow. Navigating a new real estate market can be tricky, which is why our next step is so important. Engage a licensed real estate agent. I can't stress this enough. Make sure your agent is registered with the Real Estate Regulatory Agency, or RERA. A qualified, RERA-registered agent is your key to a smooth transaction. They have access to verified listings, can provide invaluable market insights, and will guide you through the complexities of the buying process, ensuring everything is done by the book. Once you've found the perfect plot with your agent, it's time to secure it. This is done by reserving the plot. You'll typically pay a reservation fee, which is usually around 5 to 10% of the total price. This payment secures the land for you, taking it off the market. This step often involves signing a document called a Memorandum of Understanding, or MO. The MO is a preliminary agreement that outlines the basic terms and conditions of the sale, so read it carefully before you sign. Next up, let's talk about money. How are you going to finance your purchase? The great news is that foreigners can get mortgages from UAE banks, often for up to 75% of the property's value. To do this, you'll need to open a UAE bank account and meet the specific requirements of the lender, which usually include proving your income and having a good credit history. It is a good idea to start talking to banks early in the process to get pre-approved for a loan. With your financing sorted, you'll move on to signing the sales and purchase agreement, or SPA. This is the main, legally binding contract between you and the seller. The SPA is incredibly detailed and outlines all the crucial elements of the deal: the payment schedule, the handover timeline, and any penalties for delays from either side. It's vital that you review every single clause. If anything is unclear, ask your agent or a legal professional for clarification before you put your signature on that dotted line. Now, let's make it official. The next step is to register your purchase with the Dubai Land Department, or DLD. This is the government body that handles all real estate transactions. You'll need to go to the DLD office to register the transaction and pay a registration fee, which is currently 4% of the purchase price. Once this is done and the fees are paid, your ownership is formalized and you'll receive your official title deed. Congratulations, you are now a legal property owner in the UAE. Here's an exciting bonus. Did you know that your property investment could also be your ticket to living in the UAE? If you purchase a property worth at least 750,000 AED, you may be eligible to apply for a 2-year UAE residency visa. This is a fantastic opportunity for investors who want to spend more time in the country. There are specific criteria you'll need to meet, so be sure to check the latest government requirements to see if you qualify. To help your transaction go as smoothly as possible, here are a few pro tips. First, always verify the property's title deed to confirm the seller is the legitimate owner. Second, if you're buying from a developer, make sure they are officially registered and that the project is approved. And a final, important tip. To comply with local regulations, avoid using international credit cards for large payments like the down payment. It's best to handle these through bank transfers from your UAE account. So, is now a good time to invest? Absolutely. The UAE's real estate market is currently experiencing a period of strong and sustained growth. The government is investing heavily in new infrastructure projects, from new roads to public transport, which consistently enhances property values across the country. This forward-thinking approach creates a stable and promising environment for investors looking for both rental income and long-term appreciation. Investing in the UAE's real estate market can be an incredibly rewarding journey. By following these steps, doing your thorough research, and working with trusted professionals, you can make smart, informed decisions and secure a profitable investment for your future. The opportunity is here, waiting for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more expert insights on real estate and investing. We'll see you in the next video.